related to straight line and parallel lines. The second topic, it would be complementary angles. Complementary angles means when you get sum of any two angles. If that is equals to 90, those two angles are complementary angles. If sum of two individual angles equals to 90, that's called as complementary angles. Here I am having this angle and another angle. I'll use the magnitude here 30 and here 60. And I'll name them as well. P, Q, R. This is A, B, C. When we get the sum of these two angles, 30 plus 60, that is equals to 90. No? That means sum of two individual angles equals to 90. If not, sum of two angles will give you a right angle. Will give you a right angle. Right angle means 90. So PQR and ABC. These two are complementary angles. PQR and ABC. These two are complementary angles. Same thing, but only difference was the magnitude of angles. When we get sum of two angles, here I am having two such angles. Sum of these two angles equals to 180. That's the only difference. Here it is 130 and this is 50. When you add two individual angles, if the sum of those two angles give you 180, those are supplementary angles. Here I'll name them as X, Y, Z, M, and Q. So 130 plus 50, that's equals to 180. That means X, Y, Z. At Y only we have the angle, so X, Y, Z or Z, Y, X, both are possible. And M and Q, these two are supplementary angles respectively. One more thing, here only two angles. When you add three angles, if those three angles give you 90, those are not complementary angles. Complementary and supplementary only strictly for two angles. Sum of two angles 90, complementary. Sum of two angles equals to 180, supplementary.